Okay, so other road trip essentials. I guess we'll start with the car seat.
Yep.
So this is the updated model of the Chicco KeyFit 30, which I feel is one of the most popular car seats from what I've read, research, and I went into a deep dive of car seat research, but my friend, Chicco is like one of the classic safe brands, kind of like a Subaru. The price point is good, but you get a lot of bang for your buck. And I read just ratings for safety. Chicco is high on the list. So they updated from the KeyFit 30 to this model, which is the KeyFit 35. So what's nice is that you can keep it for your baby longer because it accommodates kind of a longer height, taller height, and a longer length. And you can actually use it without a car seat base. So right now we have the base in our car, but just to show you the car seat itself, it's just a standard nice size car seat. It's not one of the fancier, lighter ones, so
It's definitely not light.
yeah. I feel like it's about 9 pounds just on its own. So just keep that in mind. With the weight of your baby, you'll get a very good arm workout. But for us, we're looking for safety at a reasonable price point and a good workout. So this hits all those. This KeyFit 35 model has clear text fabric. It just it's just a more natural fabric, but also more flame retardant, I believe. And then the newborn insert that it comes with, all of this is washable. So the newborn insert is up to 11 pounds. He's gonna outgrow that.
Yeah, he's almost out of this. We gotta take it out.
Oh, yeah, he's gonna outgrow that soon, if not already. But it's all washable, and then once they outgrow the newborn insert, you can take it out and then use the regular part of the car seat.
It's pretty easy to put it on. You just push this button and then you can pull these out so you can get it around his arms. You just click it in, and then there's this other piece right here that you click together. Overall, you just push these guys together and you can push this back. And then it has a sun protector screen.
Yeah.
If you're not using your base, you can just, right here is where you can slide in the seat buckle, or the, what do you call it? Safety belt? Yeah, seat belt. And yeah, it's pretty easy, works pretty well. I've been looking for that. You'll find things all the time.
Yeah, and the nice part is that everything's washable, but also as a new mom, I was kind of nervous using it by myself, but it was very intuitive, to be honest, so I like that.
Yeah, there's just like a little button handle right here. So when you click it into the car, it just clicks, and then when you want to take it out, you just pull, and it comes right out.
Everything you need to handle is in orange, which I just noticed. Like all the buttons, it's one color, so just very straightforward.